In this video, we learn how to send an email using one of email apps on our device with a subject body to people that we want. Create a method and name it send email and pass some parameters. First, a context, an array of addresses, an array of strings that we want to send email to, the subject of email, the body of email, and a title for when app chooser is showing. Inside this method, create an intent and pass action send to it, and use set data method and pass URI.parse mail to colon, so only email apps will show in app chooser. Now use we add put extra method several times, extra email to pass list of addresses, extra subject to pass our subject, and extra text to pass our email body. Now we launch this intent context.start activity, intent.create chooser, and pass intent and app chooser title. Now use this method in a click event for a button. Pass main activity.this, an array of strings for or addresses. I just pass write my own email. Email subject and email body, and a title for when app chooser is shown. Now run the app, and by clicking on this button, app chooser will show, and we click on the email and we can send this email. Thank you for watching.